Here's a solution for day 1, problem 1. Question A, rewrite the number into standard form. So we'll copy that number down. And to change this into standard form, use the exponent to move the decimal point. If the exponent on the 10 is positive 3, then that decimal point has to move 3 spots to the right. 1, 2, 3, and the last one will be filled in with a placeholder 0. This makes 2, 6, 5, 0, and then the decimal point, 2,650. Question B, let's copy down that number. And we are asked to change this into scientific notation. In scientific notation, we want to have 1 digit to the left of the decimal point, and so we need to move the dot from here to right there after the 1. That's going to create 1 point, and then 843024 times 10. And let's count up how far we moved the dot. 1, 2, 3, 4 spots. The exponent on the 10 is a 4. Now day 1, problem 2. Solve this equation, and then in part B, check the answer. So let's start by copying that equation down. And I'm going to draw a line down from the equal symbol to keep the left side and right side straight. And I notice that the x appears on both sides of the equation. Let's fix that by removing the 2x. So take away 2x, take away 2x. Negative 3x, subtract 2x is negative 5x. The positive 8 can come down, and then on the right side of the equation, the negative 10 comes straight down. Here's the x term. Next to the x term, there's plus 8. Let's remove that. Take away 8, take away 8. The negative 5x comes straight down, equals negative 10, subtract 8 is negative 18. Now we can remove the coefficient of the x using division. Divide negative 5, divide negative 5, x equals negative divided by negative is positive, and 18 divided by 5 is 18/5. You could write that as a mixed number or as a decimal if you wanted. Now in part B, we're asked to check that answer. So to check an answer, go back to the original equation, and where the letter x is here and over here, substitute the answer that we think is correct, 18/5. So negative 3 parentheses, 18/5 plus 8. We're wondering if that is equal to 2 times, and then in parentheses, 18/5, subtract 10. What we need to do here is work out the left side of this equation, see what number that's equal to, and work out the right side of the equation, see what that's equal to, and if they're the same, then it checks. So negative 3 times 18 is negative 54 over 5, plus 8. And is that equal to 2 times 18 is 36 over 5, minus 10. What I'm going to do here now is get this whole number 8 written as a fraction with a denominator of 5. The whole number 8 can be rewritten as 40 over 5. So negative 54 plus 40 is negative 14/5. And is that equal to, over on this side, I'm going to take the whole number 10 and write it as a fraction with a denominator of 5. The whole number 10 can be written as 50 over 5. 36 subtract 50 is negative 14/5. So notice that the left side of the equation is in fact equal to the right side, and this checks. So x equals 18/5 over here is the correct answer for this equation.